how to delete all liked videos on YouTube. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your entire liked video history within the browser on youtube.com. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. So to get started, open up a browser, navigate to youtube.com, and then log into your account. Once you get logged in, go up on the top right, select your little avatar up here, and then select Google account. So this will bring you to your Google account. Once you get here, go into the left menu, select Data and Privacy, and then go to the right and select YouTube History. Once on YouTube History, go to the left and select Interactions, and then find Video Likes and Dislikes. So in here, you'll see a full history of your likes and dislikes on YouTube. You can delete individual videos by selecting the little X next to them. You can also delete entire days by selecting the X next to a date. Now, if you want to delete all liked videos on your YouTube account, go into the left menu and select Delete All. And then all you need to do is confirm you do indeed want to delete your likes and dislikes on YouTube video activity from all time. So this is going to permanently delete it. You can't recover it. Once you select delete, it'll all be gone. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel.